Each passing hour, more things get populated onto the truck. One of the things that we're really making an effort to put together nicely are the brake lines. We're using stock brake line, and that would be these coils. It's a factory type of finish, and it's a sort of a painted grayish blackish color, actually almost a brownish color, but 3/16" brake line, custom bending it so that it follows the factory bends. You can see it there as well. That right there has not been painted. That's just a splash shield that's in raw, would be painted in black, but we're doing it along the, as well on the front axle, flex hoses, and then bending it, go right around the the U-bolts on the axle and whatnot. So using all these factory pieces, more things going on. Starting to look like an engine with all the pulleys and belts. We use when we do this, we do it all by hand, and we use this nice hydraulic flaring tool. We know how these go, mainly because Mo here has done enough of them. I'm going to go right down to the frame there.